Hi, I'm here with one of my eyebrow transplant patients who we did her eyebrow about a year ago. How are you doing?
Very good, thank you. Happy to be here.
Oh, wonderful. So why don't you tell us about your experience with the eyebrow hair transplant as well as the day of the procedure, how the aftercare was, and how has it changed your life?
Well, before I came here, I was penciling in my eyebrows every morning because I essentially had no eyebrows whatsoever. I plucked them all away in my teen years and they just were not growing back. So I knew something had to be done, and my husband had suggested this eyebrow restoration. And the more I looked into it, the more I discovered that it was probably the perfect solution. I did some research and I came across Dr. Behnam, and the reviews honestly spoke for themselves. So when I came in for the consultation, I was immediately struck by the fact that I felt very calmed, and I felt like this was the best option for me. And he explained everything, he went through everything, and the price was so reasonable when you consider what the results were going to be. It was really a no-brainer. The procedure itself was virtually painless, and it really just flew by. And the doctor was talking me through every step, so I just felt like I knew what was happening every moment. And by the end of it, I could already see basically what the results were going to be. I had these beautiful, lush eyebrows. I couldn't even believe it. The aftercare, pretty simple. I left them alone for a while just to let them heal. And then I would say within 6 months, I started seeing really, really great growth. And by 9, 10 months, it was pretty much all there. They shaped my face perfectly, and I could not be happier with the results. I get compliments on them constantly. It is so nice and refreshing just to wake up and go. As far as how I maintain them, because the hairs actually grow so incredibly, I do have to trim them every now and again. I would say maybe every 4 or 5 days. I just simply brush up and trim, and then brush down and trim, and I condition them every so often because it's just hair. It's regular hair finally growing where it was supposed to grow. So that's really it, and I could not be happier. It's honestly the best money I've ever spent, the best decision I could have possibly made. It's changed my life 1,000% for the better.
Wonderful. Thank you.
Thank you.